Okay, movie fans, this part of the show is just for you. We got so excited when we heard they were coming out with Secret Life of Pets 2. We needed to give away, or we needed to celebrate and find a way to celebrate. So we took a trip into Vida's kitchen for a step-by-step how-to on a character cake that's perfect for all the movie fun.
You're gonna put a little buttercream frosting on the bottom and put a half ball pan there, and then put buttercream frosting to create your crumb coat, and use your spatula to make it smooth all the way around. Now I'm going to start out with taking some white fondant, roll that out larger than the size of that cake, put it over the top, and you can smooth it out all the way around. Now we're going to cut it out around the edges and smooth it out some more. Next we're going to make Snowball's nose with a little round fondant, kind of in that shape. Now we want to take some blue fondant and roll out his mask. Cut it so it goes around his nose. And then I used some really small cookie cutters, some round cookie cutters, to cut out the eyes. And smooth those around. Lay that out just like that. And I'm going to cut all the way around. Once we have the mask on, then we're going to do a little lighter blue for the eyes. And put some black pupils shaped in circles and flat on top of those. Now I've cut out a little shape for his mouth. And I'm going to finish off with kind of just some like white accents on the eyes to give us some depth. Shape some teeth, put those on the bottom. Kind of the bottom lip. And those bottom teeth. Of course, Snowball needs a little pink nose. Now I'm going to roll out a little yellow fondant to put right above his eyes. To me, this was the trickiest part, just kind of getting that shaped out right there. But that's the beauty of it, it's art, and you can play around and have fun with it. Once the mask is done, then I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut it in a V. This is going to go on the top of his head. And if you want to make it gold, I just got some edible gold powder and sprayed it on there. But if not, just use it as yellow. Now we make his bunny ears. I shaped out one ear in the blue fondant, rolled it out a little bit, but it's still really thick and chunky. Just stuck it on just kind of like that. Next, what we're going to do is lay out the body. Just did a little round, more of an oval shape for the body. Laid that out just like that, and did some yellow for the chest area. Put it on just like that. And now we're going to work out those little cute paws. So I created just kind of a little shape of the paws just with some white fondant and used a little bit of a cutting tool to make the paws. Did this on the second one as well. And then wrapped it with some yellow fondant right around the arms. Then I stick it with a little bit of the cake pop stick sticking out on the bottom so it holds it in there. And just model it just like that.
Oh, cute! And here's the finished version of Vida's cake. It's so cute and actually pretty and easy to make. Isn't fondant formation so fascinating and satisfying at the same time? You can find Vida's DIY projects and the full video of the step-by-step instructions for the Secret Life of Pets 2 cake at cookcraftkids.com. You'll also find all her other amazing tips, hacks, and recipes. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. Her YouTube page is just search for the Parenting Channel on YouTube. It's all one word, no spaces.